Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of this program. Today we will talk about what is automating VAPT, or what are the tools that we should use to perform an automated VAPT, that is vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. So first of all, let's understand what is automation VAPT. Automated penetration testing is much faster, efficient, easy, and reliable that tests the vulnerability and risk of a machine automatically. This technology does not require any expert engineer, rather, it can be run by any person having least knowledge of this field. Tools that are used for automated penetration testing are Nessus, Metasploit, OpenVAS, Backtrack Series 5, Acunetics, and many more. But these are very efficient tools that change the efficiency and meaning of penetration testing. Now let's talk about what is the basic difference between manual VAPT and automatic VAPT. In manual VAPT, we require expert engineer to perform the test, but in automatic VAPT, it is automated, so even a learner can run the test. In manual, it requires different tool for the testing, but in automatic, it has integrated tools, so it doesn't require anything from outside. Moreover, in manual, results can vary from test to test, but on other hand, results are fixed. Also, in manual VAPT, this test requires to remember cleaning up memory by the tester, but in automatic VAPT, there is no requirement to clean up memory. Manual VAPT can be exhaustive and time consuming, whereas automatic VAPT are more efficient and faster. But there is a plus point for manual VAPT, and that is, if an expert does pen testing, then he can analyze better. He can think what a hacker can think and where he can attack. Hence, he can put security accordingly. But in the case of automatic VAPT, it cannot analyze the situation. So that was the basic difference between both of them. Now let's talk about advanced information gathering tools. As taught earlier, information gathering is the process of collecting as much information as possible about a target network for identifying various ways to intrude a network or a system. So here are a list of tools that are used for doing an advanced information gathering, and first one is Nmap, then Inspector, Red Hawk, Raccoon, Bat Karma, Sandmap, Sparta, Dimitri. Out of these, Nmap is a very strong tool that is used for gathering information. It can provide you in-depth knowledge about what kind of packet filters, firewall are in use, and dozen of different characteristics. Though it is available on Kali Linux, it can also be downloaded on Windows. And it is designed to quickly scan massive networks. However, works fine against single hosts as well. Then we have Nikto. Nikto Web Server Scanner is a security tool that will test a website for thousands of possible security issues, including dangerous files, misconfigured services, vulnerable scripts, and other issues. It is also an open source and structured with plugin that extends the capabilities. Nikto is by no means a stealthy tool. It will make over 2000 HTTP GET requests to the web server, creating a large number of entries in the web server's log files. Also, Nikto performs over 6000 tests against a website. The large number of tests for both security vulnerabilities and misconfigured web servers, which makes it a go-to tool for many security professionals and system administrators. Old sensitive softwares with vulnerabilities, sensitive files, HTTP flaws, cookie flaws are some of the configured flaws that are analyzed by Nikto. Also, you need to make sure that a lot of time Nikto reports false positive vulnerabilities. So, all the vulnerabilities reported by Nikto has to be tested manually. In some cases, it can happen that Nikto has reported a XSS vulnerability in a website, but that XSS turned out to be self-XSS. So in that case, Nikto provides us false positive result. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.